this is Petra from cuddlystitchescraft.com. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to join toes when working on the feet of your Amigurumi toy. We will be using these dinosaur feet as an example, and I will include the link to my dinosaur pattern in the description below. But before we get started, you will need to crochet these 3 separate toes, so I have included the pattern here for you. And just to note, each toe should have 16 stitches in the last round. And here are my 3 toes that I crocheted earlier. I have fastened off 2 of them, and I have also inserted a stitch marker into the first stitch of the last round. Now this toe I didn't fasten off, and I will continue to crochet as if I were going to crochet the next round. So the first step is to single crochet into the next 8 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one is 8. Now grab the middle toe and insert your hook into the stitch with the stitch marker in it, and single crochet in the next 8 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next, grab the last toe and again insert your hook into the stitch with the stitch marker in it, and single crochet in the next 16 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So now you need to go back into the middle toe. So I'll show you the stitch where to go, is this one. So you insert your hook into that stitch and single crochet in the next 8 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally you insert your hook into the first toe you started with, and again single crochet in the next 8 stitches. So you go into this one, so that's your first single crochet, two, 3, 4. So after you have done the next 4 stitches, so that's the last 8 stitches in total, the toes will be joined together and you have created one big round. So you will continue to crochet as per your pattern in the big round. And if you followed my pattern on how to make the toes, then you should have 48 stitches in this round. So that's it, your toes are connected. Thank you for watching.